What if I told you that you could earn more than $100 a day using free AI tools? In this video, I'll show you powerful, lesser-known AI tools that can help you do just that, and I'll walk you through how to use them step by step. Let's dive right in. First, Durable AI. Durable AI is an incredible tool that builds websites for you in minutes. Head over to app.durable.co and your interface should look like this. This tool gives you the opportunity to start your website for free. Click on Generate Your Website, let it load, and you'll see this interface. Select the type of business or website you're building. For this video, I'll go with BLOG. Location? I'll leave it at my current location. For the website name, I'll use TechSblog. Once you're done, click on Generate Website and wait a few moments. After a few minutes, your website will look something like this, based on the type of website you chose. If you don't like the layout, you can click the Restyle option up here as many times as you want until you're satisfied with the output. You can edit images, change text, and play around with the entire page. For just $12 a month, billed annually, you'll even get a custom domain of your choice. I'll leave a link in the description for 50% off. You can use Durable AI to launch a blog, set up an online store, or create a portfolio. Whatever your needs, this tool has you covered. Next on our list, Descript. Descript is an AI tool that not only edits videos and podcasts, but also customizes voiceovers. Head over to Descript.com. When the interface loads, click Get Started for free. Input your email and password or continue with Google. You'll be asked a few questions. Fill in the appropriate responses and it will take you to an interface like this. I'll use this demo to show you some of its capabilities. This tool allows you to easily edit or even alter pre-recorded podcasts or interview videos. You can edit speech for clarity, shorten word gaps, and even remove filler words like uhs and ums. It can also remove background noise. For example, in this demo video, you can see there are lots of uhs and ums. Let's handle that. Click Remove Filler Words on the right panel, then select Remove All. It instantly removes all filler words, making your presentation sound more confident. Descript is perfect for podcasters, YouTubers, or anyone editing interviews. It'll save you hours of editing time and make your audio sound clean and professional. This tool will be explored further in future videos, so stay tuned. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this so far, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I've got plenty of free tools to share that can help you level up your productivity and earnings. Hedra. Hedra is a free AI image-to-speech tool that allows you to add voiceovers with perfect lip sync to any image. Head over to Hedra and click here, then import your image. You can change the output's dimensions to suit your needs. I'll leave it at 1:1 for this video. You can upload an audio file or type in the text you want it to speak, then select a voice from Hedra's free voice library. Both options work perfectly fine. After a few minutes of processing, here's the final result.
Hello, this is Tech Rise. It's pleasant to meet you.
Amazing, right? Hedra is great for anyone making social media videos, marketing content, or even animated tutorials. Turn a simple image into a high-impact video with lifelike voiceovers. But hold on, you don't want to miss the next one. Next, TopView AI. TopView AI is a powerful tool that can potentially help generate over $10,000 per month. Head over to TopView's site and create an account. I'll leave a link in the description below. TopView AI offers features like AI automated marketing videos, AI talking avatars, voiceovers, and even image generation. But here's the exciting part. Head over to Amazon, TikTok Shop, Play Store, or any other store, grab the link of any product, copy it, and return to TopView AI. Paste the link, click Generate, and the tool will analyze the product to create a short video within minutes. The best part? You get a free AI model and voiceover, with 4 different styles to choose from. However, these videos will have a watermark. Don't worry, for just 10% you can remove the watermark, and with my special coupon link in the description, you'll get up to 50% off. TopView AI is fantastic for creating promotional videos for Amazon affiliate products or building marketing content for your e-commerce store. It's fast, efficient, and takes the guesswork out of creating compelling videos. And there you have it. Free AI tools that can help you earn more than $100 a day. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more amazing tools in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.